Good evening. It's Saturday, October 2nd, and it's in the evening because Dad and I spent the entire day moving things out of my apartment and into public storage. I'm gonna have a very temporary setup in the basement here while I finish the house. Let me show you it. This is just off of the stairs, and as you can see, I'll have a very minimal desk setup, a little bit of clothing in that dresser, and that's it. So it's gonna be 100%, 200% focused, I should say, on getting this house done. I'll be back probably tomorrow or Monday for sure, and we're gonna be cranking away on electrical, getting all those branch circuits ran, all the gang boxes installed for the outlets, and all those outlets roughed in. It's go time. It's October 2nd. Let's see how much we can get done in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Final walkthrough of the place that Charlie and I lived in for the last 4 years. 11449 Central Court, Unit 205, Building 3. This is my restroom. Closet, which was my office. Master bedroom. Living room. Balcony's cleared. Kitchen's cleared. Charlie's bathroom. Charlie's bedroom, closet. Folks, that's a wrap on 11449 Central Court, Unit 205.